how to add multiple photos on one Instagram story. Firstly, when you get into a fiction like that one, what is the main point right here? It is simply to click on your right upper side on the first selection with the plus icon. Then simply what you need to do next, simply go story on the second selection, and when you get right there, you need to set up and select, for example, a side selection photo, or you can take it right now just to show you how it looks like. And then simply go on the sticker side, which is on the second button on your upper side. Then as you scroll down, you can find out this selection, which is with that plus gallery icon. Just go for it and select a picture which is interested for you, for example this one, and you can simply scroll it as you want, and then go back, go again on that selection, take a look on another picture, for example this one. Then you can also take and resize it, then get again on another type of picture. I will go with this one, and simply guys, as you can see right now, we have add multiple photos on one Instagram story.